A very fine and pleasant morning to all my dear students. Today in English, you are going to learn the last session continuation, children, that is a Japanese folk tale, that is the envious neighbor. So till where we had completed, till yes, in this passage you can see this paragraph till myself. What was the recap of the lesson? Yes. So there once a place, once a village, there lived a old couple, that is old couple and two couples were living. One was good couple and another was wicked couple. One was very honest and one were dishonest couple were living together, that is neighbors, as neighbors. Yes. So what happened? They had a good couple had a very nice pet dog with them, and they fed him with whatever things they have at home. So from their kitchen garden and everything they will cook and give to the pet. Okay, the dog is very pet to the good couple. Once they were going for their work to their garden, to their field, what happened? So wherever they go, they will take their pet. Yes, and what happened one day? That dog, no, that pet dog stood in one place and began to bark, bow bow like that, and all began to bark. Yeah, the question, all things are given in page number 22, children. Yes, it was began to bark and began to wag his tail very severely, particular place the dog was. Okay, so the good couple, what they thought, what happened, why he was standing in particular place and wagging his tails and barking also like that, they thought, and they brought a spade and digged that place. So they thought actually something has got for the dog to eat, so that only he was barking like that, they thought. But actually what happened, after digging only they understood that is what was there fully under the ground, full of treasure. Treasure na enama pudayal, yes, full of gold and silver were there inside and precious things were there inside the ground. So after getting that, they not kept for themselves, they all they given for the poor and needy, half of the thing, and half they kept for themselves. And what happened, they bought rice field they bought and corn fields and everything. So they had shared whatever they got the treasure, okay, to the poor and needy people. So once that wicked people heard about that, and they came to the that good couple and asked their dog to give them, they borrowed their dog. Okay, so they also given their dog to the wicked couple. So because they asked, so they given. So once they came, the wicked couple the dog ponone, what happened there? They prepared a very nice feast and they told to eat it. But the dog know very well about everyone, right? So the dog not had anything. It don't want to eat anything from the wicked couple's preparation, the food. Okay, and they began very angry, and what they thought, okay, they tied a rope in the neck of a dog and they dragged to the place where, just show the place where the treasure is there, show us also, like that they commented the dog. But it's not at all moving anywhere till there. And one particular place, no, it stopped because it began to sniff. It don't want to it was very heavy பிடிச்சி இழுத்துட்டு வந்ததுனால what happened, it began to sniff, அப்படியே பெருமூச்சு விட ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. And the wicked couple, what happened, they mistaken, they thought, oh, this is the place where the things are hidden, எல்லாமே உள்ள மறைஞ்சிருக்கு, buried ஆயிருக்கு, like that they thought, and they began to dig the place with the spade, same spade எடுத்து dig பண்றாங்க. But what was there inside? Full of dirt and dead bodies smell and everything was there inside. And they got angry on the dog and they began to seize the dog. நல்லா அடிச்சிடுறாங்க and the dog died. Yes, and after that what happened? After few days, old couple came and asked what happened to our dog, like that. So they said, the wicked couple said, we seized the dog and we killed it and buried it under the pine tree, like that they said. So the good couple, what they thought, okay, they didn't say anything. The old man, because he's very honest and he never get temper, he kept quiet and he began to cry like anything, and he went and to the place where the dog was buried. He taken a very big tray full of his favorite delicious foods of dog, food delicious food எடுத்துட்டு போகிறாங்க. Then incense sticks, that is agarbatti, and flowers to decorate the grave. The old man, what happened? The old man felt very very sad, and what he done? He taken the flowers to his the place where the dog was buried, okay, the pine tree under, and he decorated the grave. After that, what happened? After that, we'll see in the next paragraph, okay. The old man did as the dog had told him to do. So that is what the dog told him. He has to cut the pine tree and make a mortar. He said no, the dog said. So whatever the dog said, he done as it is. He came in the dream and said no, dog came in the dream and said. The old man did as the dog had told him to do and made a mortar out of the woods of the pine tree. But when he ground his rice in it, each grain of rice turned into some rich treasure. When the wicked old couple saw this, they came to borrow the mortar. But no sooner did they try to use it, all their rice turned into filth. So, in a fit of rage, they broke the mortar and burnt it. So, what happened? The same thing, whatever the dog told in his dream, the old man done. Okay, he done a mortar. You can see the mortar here, that is to grind some grains and all. They will oral pot adipangaliya. Yes, that only. So the good old man, no, he put some each rices and he began to ground na present tense. That the present tense is grind, past tense is ground. Okay, so he ground the rice. Once he ground the rice, what happened? It all turned into rich treasures. So ellame rich treasures da maariduchu. Okay, so whatever each grain is becoming the rich treasure. So they are getting so many things only by the of the dog, pet dog they had, no. Yes, so the wicked couple heard about that and they came again to borrow the mortar from the good couple. Okay, already they borrowed the dog and they killed him. Yes, you know that. Yes, the same thing again they came for the mortar. Okay, but what happened? After that they came and borrowed the mortar, but no sooner did they train, immediately they went and taken their rices and put into the mortar and they began to grind it. Immediately what happened? They didn't get any rich. They, instead of rich, what they got? They all the rice turned into filth. எல்லாமே ஒரு அழுகி போன நாத்த ஸ்மெல் அடிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருந்தான். எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் ஸ்பாயில்டு இன்சைட் that mortar. Okay, so they became very angry. Again what happened? They broke the mortar and burnt it. So they broken the mortar and burnt it completely. Are you listening, children? So in this paragraph itself, in page number 23, you have that do you know is given regarding the dogs. What was the dogs? This is an extra information for you children. This is not related to the lesson. Okay, so this is dogs were domesticated from wolves. So dogs all come from the family of wolf, it seems. How many years before? 15,000 years before, the dogs domestic was wolves. Okay, so what is that? New evidence suggests that dog were first domesticated in. So new evidence, according to the evidence, it is telling that first the domesticated enga vanduchina, it is from East Asia, possibly China. So East Asia na enga China lande it has come, it seems. Okay, so over time hundreds of breeds with a great degree of variation have come into being. So many breeds will be there in the variety of breeds எல்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா டாக் ஃபேமிலியில். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாமே வந்து சைனாலேருந்து தான் it has come, it seems. Okay, that is an extra information for you children. And then we will go to the next page. Okay, so in the next page what it is given? Yes, the old man, little suspecting. So what happened in the next page? Before that I will read that. Yes, so but what happened? Yes, but the good man, what he done? Little suspecting that his precious mortar had been broken and burnt, wondered by his neighbors did not bring it back to him. So he already had a suspicion that really what happened to my dog. டாகுக்கு என்ன ஆச்சு அப்படின்றது அவர் யோசிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்காரு. That is, dog already died, right? Now the dog he is a martyr only, is considered as a dog. Okay, so this martyr also gone, like that he suspected. Okay, and he by with his neighbors definitely did not bring it back after so many days. Definitely the martyr also, they have done something, like that he decided in his mind. But he not went and asked and all. Okay, but after that what happened that night? One night the dog appeared to him again in a dream. One day it appeared and came வந்துட்டு என்ன சொல்லுச்சு, மார்டர் பண்ண சொல்லுச்சு இல்லையா? Yes, and the pine tree cut the pine tree and do the martyr, like that it said. Now again it appeared in the dream, and what it was telling, told him what had happened, adding that if he would take the ashes of the burnt mortar and sprinkle them on withered trees, the trees would revive and suddenly put out flowers. After saying this, the dream vanished, and the old man, who heard for the first time of the loss of his mortar, ran out weeping to the neighbor's house and begged them at any rate to give him back the ashes of his treasure. So what happened? So again, another night, what happened? The dog appeared in his dream and told everything what had all happened. They broken the mortar and burnt it, everything he said. So he felt very bad, and he said, again he is giving one idea, he is suggesting, the dog is telling, so better just go to the place where I was burnt. Okay, so take that ashes and sprinkle that ashes, go get from them and sprinkle that ashes in the withered trees. Withered trees na dried trees, அதாவது பட்டு போன மரம், they will tell in Tamil. Okay, so if you sprinkle my ashes in the withered trees, definitely immediately the tree will get life. Okay, and all the things, all flowers and all will bloom in that tree, like that he said. Who? Yes, the dog told, pet dog told in his dream. After telling that, the dream vanished. So after hearing all this, with a heavy heart, again he ran fast to the neighbor's house and begged, அதாவது கெஞ்சிக்கு அழுதுகிட்டே ஓட்டுனாராம், ran out of weeping to the neighbor's house and begged them at any rate, என்ன ஆனாலும், please give me the ashes of my treasure, where you burned the mortar, please give me at least the ashes of that. Okay, like that he begged to that wicked old couple. And after that, in next passage, children, next paragraph, having obtained it, he returned home and made a trial of their virtues upon a withered cherry tree, which upon being touched by the ashes immediately began to sprout and blossom. When he saw this wonderful effect, he put the ashes into a basket and went about the country, announcing himself as an old man who had the power of bringing dead trees to life again. Yes, so whatever the dog told in his dream, and he went immediately to the neighbor's house and got the ashes of the mortar, and he just thought of doing it. Okay, let me do my to my withered tree, that is cherry tree. This tree was not fine, it died already. So again immediately went and taken that ashes and sprinkled that ashes on the dead cherry tree. Immediately what happened? It began to sprout and blossoms. You can see the picture here, children, that this is withered tree, and they, after the sprinkling that, what happened? That pink color rose flowers and all, it began to bloom, blossom. So they became very wonderful, it was really. So this is the nice chance to yearn, like that the old man thought, and he taken all the ashes and put in his basket குள்ள போட்டுட்டு, what he done? He went about the country announcing himself. What he done? Yes, he announced himself about the country. What he was telling, that I have the power that dead tree will become life again, I have that power, like that he was announcing in the about the countryside. Okay, so after hearing this, what happened? Yes, we'll see in the next passage, children. A certain prince, hearing of this and thinking it mighty strange thing, sent for the old fellow, who showed his power by causing all the withered plum and cherry trees to shoot out and put forth flowers. So the prince gave him a rich reward of pieces of silk and cloth and other presents, and sent him home rejoicing. So the old man was announcing about the country, isn't it? So the prince heard about that, and really it is strange. How come a withered tree will become again life again? Okay, call that old man and just let him do that. Like that he said. So he was called to the palace, and he was given a plum and cherry tree to give life. So he sprinkled, as soon as he saw the tree, he taken some ashes and sprinkled the ashes on the tree. So what happened? Immediately it began to shoot out, and flowers ரொம்ப அழகாக வந்த உடனே the prince was very happy, and he rewarded him some pieces of silk cloths, silk clothsலாம் கொஞ்சம் ப்ரெசன்ஸ்லாம் ரிச்சாக அழகாக எல்லாமே கொடுத்து அனுப்புகிறாரு. And what, he was very happy, and he was rejoicing. Who? That man, that old man. And again it is given one. Do you know it is given, children? After completing this I will tell you. Okay. And after that, as soon as the neighbors heard of this, they collected all the ashes that remained, and having put them in a basket, the wicked old man went out in a castle town and gave out that he was the old man who had the power of reviving dead trees and causing them to flower. He had not to wait long before he was called into Prince's palace and ordered to exhibit his power. So the same thing what he heard about the princes rewarded the old man and all, he heard, no, the wicked couple. Immediately after hearing that, okay, with the ashes only he might have done, okay, let me take the ashes, whatever is remaining in that. So அங்கே ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிற ஆஷஸ் எல்லாம் எடுத்துகிட்டு பேஸ்கெட்டில் போட்டுட்டு அகெயின் he went to the place, எங்கள் கேஸ்டல் டவுன்லே went, and he announced that I have the power of doing the dead trees to live. Like that he was. As soon as he announced, immediately he was brought into the palace, prince palace, and he was ordered to, okay, now you can show your power. Like that he was ordered. Okay, and then this is, do you know, let me read, children. Dogs in war have a very long history starting in ancient times from being trained in combat. So dogs oda history வந்து, what is that? In ancient times, in very very old days, before very many years before, the dog was trained in combat. That is, combat is nothing but fighting. போருக்கெல்லாம் கூட்டிகிட்டு போவாங்களாம். To their use of scouts and sentries and trackers. The uses have been varied, and some continue to exist in modern military usage. So it was used in so many places, dogs. So scouts, they are using sentries and trackers. அழகா ட்ராக் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த மோப்பை பிடிக்கும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அழகா it will track everyone, the person, those who are doing guilty and wrong things, it will easily find out the uses, and it is varied for different reasons. So it is used for so many reasons, different reasonக்காக அதெல்லாம் யூஸ் ஆகுது அந்த டாக்ஸ்லாம். This is not related to the lesson, children. This is, do you know, a small information, extra information for you. Okay, the uses have been varied, and still now modern military usageல கூட அதை கண்டினியூ பண்ணுறாங்களாம். Some continue to exist in modern military usage also. They are using, it seems, dogs they are using. Okay, okay, in the last passage what it is given, but when he climbed up into a withered tree, who climbed up? That wicked old man. Yes, he climbed up withered tree and began to scatter the ashes. Scatterna enama sprinkle பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிடுறார். Okay, so after that what happened? Not a bud of flower appeared, but the ashes all flew into the prince's eyes and mouth, blinding and choking him. When the prince's retainers saw this, they seized the old man and beat him almost to death, so that he crawled off home in a very sorry plight. When he and his wife found out that what a trap that they had fallen into, they scolded themselves. So what happened? Immediately after sprinkling the ashes in the withered trees, not even a single bud of flower bloomed, appeared anywhere. Okay, instead of happening blooming எல்லாம் அதுக்கு பதிலாக என்ன ஆச்சு? The ashes all flew into the prince's eyes, and he began to chalkனா என்ன, அதை ஒரு கண்ணை வந்து அப்படியே மூடி blind ஆக்கலை. Immediately he closed his eyes and he began to chalking him. That is, he began to cough பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிடாரு. After seeing that, அந்த பிரின்ஸோட ரீட்டைனர்ஸில் பிரின்ஸோட காவலர்கள், எஸ், soldiers, what they done, immediately they caught that old man and began to beat him very severely to death. அப்படியே சாகிற அளவுக்கு they began to beat him, and but he was not dead. Okay, and so he crawledனா என்னமா சின்ன அந்த தவழ்ந்து போவாங்க இல்லையா. So he was not able to stand properly and walk properly also. Okay, he crawled off home in a very sorry plight. When he and his wife, what a trap we had fallen, என்ன மாதிரிலாம் நடந்திருக்கு பாருங்க. Because of we had done so many bad things and we thought only of bad things, all things happened like that they thought, and they scolded themselves. அவங்களே திட்டிக்கிறாங்களாம். Okay, and after that, this is the last paragraph, children. The good old man and women, as soon as they heard of their neighbors' distress, sent for them, and after reproving them for their greed and cruelty, gave them a share of their own riches, which by repeated stroke of luck had now increased to a goodly sum. So the wicked old people mended their ways and led good and virtuous lives ever after. So what happened? So that gold and the old people oda thing எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இந்த good people they called them because they understood the situation, everything, because they all done only because of the greedy and cruelty. So they called them and they talked to them very kindly and they given their own riches. அவங்களோட கிட்ட இருக்கிற riches எல்லாம் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாங்களாம். They given to the wicked couple. Once repeatedா stroke all luck வந்தது. இது எல்லாமே all because of the dog, all luck we got, like that they said, and we were very true to everyone, we were very honest, எல்லாம் explain பண்ணுறாங்க. So that old couple, they thought, okay, it is correct only. If we also behave in a proper way, all things will be happy. If you do good, all things will be good. Like that they said, and they also, the wicked people, என்னாச்சு அந்த people வந்து என்ன பண்ணாங்க, they mended their ways. That means they changed, கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக அவங்களோட வழியை ஃபுல்லாக மாற்றிக்கிட்டாங்க. They changed into a good people. That wicked people also changed into a good and virtuous, and they lived very after, that is lives ever after. என்றைக்குமே வந்து they didn't do any mistakes in their life. So till here lesson gets over, children. What is the moral of the lesson? Yeah, you have to be very very honest. Whatever you do, you are not supposed to be greedy. If you be greedy, what will happen? Don't be cruel. God will punish you by the things. So always be good and do good, think good, so you will be the best. Okay, so till here the lesson goes over, children. Thank you, ma.